Here's how you're gonna make $5,000 from your laptop by the end of this month. We're going to be doing something called AI e-com. So we're getting AI to put money in our pockets. First of all, we're gonna ask ChatGPT for winning products in May. Common prompt for the prompt. Now you're going to ask it for a list of legit suppliers for them products. 3, go to your browser and search Shopify. Click on free trial and add in the images from the suppliers. And then ask ChatGPT to write the website headline and the body and everything you want it to do. ChatGPT is crack. Anyways, then sign up for Zendrop to find alternative great suppliers to use with hassle-free shipping. You can use Replay for customer service and ChatGPT for everything else. Now, you just have to get people to buy your products. If you don't have money, go to TikTok. Look at videos that blew up and just copy it. I don't mean copy it, but you know what I mean. For your own products. This is an absolute cheat code. Why reinvent the wheel when the wheel's right there? Simple. Copy what's working, especially when you're starting off. But if you do have the money, just run ads. It's simply the best way to make money. It's a money printer. I put $1 in, Facebook gives me $10 back. It's actually crazy. If you want a copy and paste ad template that I've personally used for my brands and generated $300,000, comment ad and I'll send it to you. You're lucky I'm not charging for this.